Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're making my favorite hot and spicy shrimp sauce, guys. This is very simple and easy to make. Let's learn how to make it. All right, guys, so we have our bell peppers, we have our onion and our peppers. We're gonna go ahead and chop it up in our food processor or in our blender. Now go ahead and pour your ingredients in your hot pan. After 15 minutes of frying our sauce, guys, we're going to go ahead and add shrimp, onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder, guys. And of course, salt for taste. Now, right away, you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes, guys. Now give it a very good stir and allow all this sauciness, all this flavor, okay, to come together, guys. And this sauce was very delicious. I combined it with my coquillam and some onions, and guys, this was literally a banger.